Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are on the standard photo mode we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see in the video settings, on the very first position we've got the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got actually three different options from which we can choose, which are also connected to the ratio. So we've got 720p with 16:9 ratio, and the same ratio is in the option with 1080p, or we've got 1080p with 20:9 ratio. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here. So it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.